We're doing a little bit of a oil change here. Gonna get her all warmed up. Yeah. It's a little cold. Forgot to take these out. Oh. We're gonna change the oil in this fucking thing. If I can get the. There you go. Oh, there you go. See how she looks? Damn. Might have had a couple more rides in her. I don't know how it looks on there, but yeah. Pretty brown. More drips in her. Might have forgotten to undo the little airflow. So give her a little tip over. Oh, now she's flowing. Oh, careful, careful. Okay, boys, so we were supposed to leave like last night, and then I got a call from work, and I had to go in, and yeah, so family's out there right now. I didn't really miss much though. They got there really late, and then yeah, so we're up here this morning, and we're gonna leave here about like 8:39. Get to the dunes about around like 12, hopefully, or sooner. You know, never know. And yeah, we'll get a couple rides in for you guys today, so should be good. Little early morning action for the boys. We're feeling good today.
Oh man, so
Mr. Michael got me in. You know, we're thankful for this kid for bringing me to Glamis. You know.
Oh yeah.
But
doors over there.
Doors over there. I think we're gonna start off the morning with a little caramel frappe. Yeah. Feeling fancy. No, Mike, what you getting?
I got my wallet.
I'll spot you.
It's good. I have it on my phone. Alright, cool.
Schmeed's also going with the frappe. Mike's already got his ticket. It's okay. Hopefully he doesn't get like arrested when he comes out. It's okay. We got the receipt. No, M&M's. I didn't want no sour stuff.
Gotta get every last drop, you know.
Oh. You gotta get every last drop.
Not get every last
Drops
drop.
like 6 drops. These gas prices are getting out of hand. These prices are getting out of hand, bro. For gas. It's unbelievable. Got the frappuccinos. Let's see it. Buttery film style. Buttery film style. You got it. Go. Go. Feet off the ground. No cheating. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh. Almost. What would you say? That's like 2 feet difference, maybe? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get any footage on this just because I'm on the phone, but we're going to go on a little ride. We just got here maybe like, I would say 2 hours. Like 2 hours ago, I would say. And yeah, we got the bike hold gears going. And yeah, Mike's up getting ready. Schmeed getting geared up. The boys are getting geared up. Gonna go to Olds. All right, boys, we're up here on Olds. We got Devin Phillips in the back himself, Mr. Michael Beam. Schmeed's on the left. We got Tanner Marshall. It's a good ride. Got a couple of hitters, but now we're gonna go head back in a minute, and yeah. All right, Michael's round 2 right now. Let's see what he does. that was sick!
Oh, and there goes my
gas
race
lit up right now. Premium race gas, VP.
Someone stand on it.
All right, Mike, do the honors. Where's the lighter? Never trust his kid with a lighter. Yeah, stand right above it. Yeah, perfect. Perfect.
Come on, man. It's drying up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, fire.
That was, aha, there we go. Smear, jump over the fire. Smear, jump the fire. Okay, no, the big one. The big one. The big one. Go, 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 go. You got it. Ah. Okay, I ain't even gonna lie. We've been slacking a little bit on the vlog, okay? But we're gonna go to Oles, little night ride. Schmeed is actually pumped right now, okay?
Yeah.
We got the girls here, okay? And yeah, we're gonna go hit up Olds, go have a little night ride.
Might be a little tough.
And yeah, Michael's very excited. He's got his girl here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, hey.
Oh my god, yeah. Not too packed here, but still a good amount of people. Oh! Caught like 3 feet in the air that time. 3 feet in the air. Oh, but boys come behind him. Let's see what boys got on this one. Third run up at it. Oh, he took a sweet drive on that one. All right, boys and girls, how are we feeling tonight?
That's really bright. I'm a little chilly.
A little chilly? Hands are numb.
Haley's
All right.
first ride.
First ride. Miss, how was it?
It was really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
Really good? Was it scary?
A little bit.
A little bit. Do you guys catch any air? All right, we'll catch him when he comes back down. Can you confirm if she was screaming?
She was not.
She wasn't screaming? Oh, dang.
I wasn't screaming my first time.
You weren't screaming? No. Well, it's not that bad. I mean, people think it's way worse than it actually isn't, you know? Well, I guess it wouldn't be much of like a glamorous trip if someone didn't get stuck, so. Wouldn't be much of a glamorous trip if someone didn't get stuck, so we're gonna pull our buddy Tad out right now. And yeah.
I'm having a little bit of trouble here.
Come on.
Good job.
Chill, bitch.
Jamie.
We rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so morning, we're gonna go to the veteran spot and we're gonna go watch the planes fly over, skydivers, whatnot, and yeah, first ride of the day. Okay.
You know me in this thing.
Boys are
There's
after
spots
right now.
down there.
Here's my car.
They're feeling good. We got the Banshee out here. The exhaust is hanging off to the side. Boys been killing it all day. Showing off in the crowd. With the grabbing gears. Coming back around. See what Zowski's got. Oh! Keep her up, yeah! Oh, just a little, oh. Alright, pop it up. And go. Oh, shit. Look at bring it backwards or forward. You choose. My pants ripped on this. Alright. Goon, dumber and dumb and dumber. Pop it up. Oh, he's hitting the gears on it. Showing off for the girly.